Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing very well and are very protected and doing extremely well in your day. My name is Sabine Sheikh, so please join me as today I'm going to tell you about everything that I've done to bring myself and my health back to life. So I was at a point of my life जहाँ मैं बहुत depressed थी, बहुत ज़्यादा stress थी और मेरी health जो थी वो दिन ब दिन ख़राब होती चली जा रही थी. But then I turned around my life slowly but surely, and today I'm going to tell you all about it, as to all of the supplements I took, all of the lifestyle changes that I did, which started restoring my health. So if you're joining in, please tell me, welcome first of all, as I put on my Sapskin LED hair cap, because self-care is important, and this is my form of self-care, to have red light therapy going on while I'm talking and doing something else. So I'm going to use my USB cable and I am going to plug my hair cap into my socket. So this also helps in by giving me a head massage. So जैसे कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही होंगी, तो I will be using this time to give myself a pulsing head massage and telling you everything that you need to know about supplements. So I hope you guys are having fun. So Aisha is saying, I want to pre-order LED hair cap. Please check your message. I will check it just after this. So let me start without further ado. The first thing that I did was become serious about my supplements. The very first thing that I did to change my life was to become serious about my supplements. I'm going to go into extremely great details of what supplements I took and at what time. But you have to understand, one of the very best things that a woman has to do is to become serious about the supplements that she has in her life, because supplements can make or break your health. They can make you very healthy. They're gonna make you very fit. So I became very good with my supplements. The second thing I did, okay, before I go into what I did, I have to tell you what was happening to me. After my 2 kids, I was feeling very low. मुझे depression रहता था, anxiety रहती थी. There were days when I could not get out of my bed. And there were days that मैं सिर्फ मीठा खाती थी, where I was becoming very overwhelmed, and slowly that was just taking over my life, being my identity. As to, there were बच्चों को पता था there were some days good, some days bad, and I wasn't 100% on all days. One of the first things, and when I decided enough is enough, I need to live a very good thriving life, the first thing that I did was change my lifestyle. The first change I made was I became serious about my supplements. Before that, my supplements would go to waste. They would get expired. They would go in the bin. I would have them for many months. किसी दिन मुझे याद आता था तो I would eat them, और जब याद नहीं आता था तो I would just let them go and let them be. So that is something I stopped doing immediately. The second thing was I became very conscious of my sleep. So how do you become conscious of your sleep? By exercising excellent sleep hygiene. अब ये चीज़ क्या है, इससे कितना फ़र्क पड़ा, ये मैं आपको भी बताती हूँ. मुझे रात को 2-3 बजे मैं उठ जाती थी, मेरी बीच में नींद खुल जाती थी, सोते हुए टीथ ग्राइंडिंग हो रही थी, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरे ख्वाब आते थे. I would wake up in the middle of the night, then I'd go back to sleep. फिर जो मुझे सही नींद आती थी वो सुबह 5-6 बजे के करीब आती थी, जब फजर का टाइम होता था. उस टाइम पे, उससे पहले मेरी नींद टूटी रहती थी, पूरे तरीके से नहीं होती थी. So these were all things that were bothering me for some time before I realized that I need to make a really big change in the way I am living my life. So the next thing that I did, I also started doing sleep hygiene. So sleep hygiene के लिए मैं क्या करती थी, I used to meditate every day अपना stress level reduce करने के लिए, and I also started my sleep hygiene in the morning. अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको रात को नींद ठीक से आए, the first thing that you need to do to sleep very well at night is to start your day with sunlight. As soon as I woke up, and this is something I still do, as soon as I wake up, I first of all go out in the sun and I walk in the sun for 15 minutes. So only this one change can make such a huge difference in your life. As soon as you wake up, you go out and you start walking in the sun for 15 minutes and you absorb all of that light. If you can do it 3 times a day, like in the morning, afternoon, and night, that is very, very good, because then your body has 3 set points, that the sun is rising, the sun is midday, and the sun is setting. If you can do that, the best. And if you cannot do all 3 times, no problem. Just doing it the first thing in the morning, seeing the sunrise is a big thing. But I personally believe that seeing the sunrise and seeing the sunset are both really, really important for you to know that a sun has risen and set and you have lived a full day, and to see both ends of it. Anyway, so that's a separate angle. Now, the next thing is, I also became very mindful of my water. So मैं पहले सुबह उठ के, तो like as you can see in my cup that I have some raspberries, I have some fruit. मैं इस fruit को डाल के इसमें इतना तक गर्म पानी भर देती हूँ और उसको मैं सीप होने देती हूँ, और जब उसमें वो जो गर्म पानी है that becomes like done, तो फिर मैं बाकी ठंडे पानी से मिक्स कर देती हूँ, यहाँ तक कि ये एक नीम गर्म पानी की बॉटल बन जाती है. It's flavored water. Now magnesium glycinate, now omega 3 क्या? मैं अभी आपको बताती हूँ कि नाव की चीज़ें कैसी हैं, उससे आपकी नाव नहीं डूबेगी, इसलिए आप प्लीज़ ज़रा यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए 2 मिनट के लिए. प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. पानी वॉज अ स्मॉल थिंग, बट फ्लेवर्ड वाटर पीना जो मैंने खुद नेचुरली फ्लेवर किया, इट चेंज माई लाइफ so much. It made a huge difference in me, and I am amazed with it. Anyway, so this is the second thing. First thing, second thing, both done. Then we come to the third thing. The third thing is I started writing a gratitude journal. Now, this is scientifically proven that when you write a gratitude journal, it starts improving your neural pathways for gratitude, and then you get more and more reasons to be grateful for, and it made such a huge difference. One of my friends gave me this advice to start doing the book called The Magic, and honestly, it's called The Magic, and it's a gratitude book. It's not about magic as such, but it literally did magic in my life, and it made huge changes in my life. So I'm a huge fan of The Magic, and I've done that. I do gratitude every day, and I'm so grateful for all the good things that are happening in my life. And just doing this small switch of being grateful for what you have in life can immediately cause a shift in your life anyway. So now let's go to the supplements that I took. Which supplements did I take? What else did I do? So that you can understand, there are supplements can be of 3 types. The first type is obviously the oral supplements. The second is the injectable supplements, and the third is subliminal supplements. For example, one of the key supplements that I took that really shifted things for me was red light therapy. So ये सिर्फ face mask नहीं है. I started using this Sapskin LED face mask एज अ रेड लाइट टूल. तो मैं इसको लगा के प्लग इन करके छोड़ देती थी, और इसकी जो लाइट थी उसको मेरी स्किन भी एब्जॉर्ब करती थी, मेरी आइज़ भी एब्जॉर्ब करती थी, मेरा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एब्जॉर्ब करता था, और उसकी वजह से मेरा डिप्रेशन एंग्जाइटी कम होना शुरू हुआ. मेरे थायराइड के रिजल्ट्स ऊपर नीचे होते थे, तो मैं इसको नेक पे लगाती थी, तो इट यूज टू वर्क ऑन नेक एज वेल फॉर थायराइड. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू हैव हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म, देयर इज सो मच रिसर्च दैट शोज दैट यूजिंग an FDA certified LED mask, because please do not use something that is not FDA certified, and Sapskin is FDA certified. It is going to alleviate hypothyroidism. अगर आपको Hashimoto's है, thyroid disease है, तो it is going to start reducing those symptoms. So this is one of the key things that I changed in my life. I started using red light therapy in multiple ways. Then I started using this red light cap recently, और उससे बालों का तो फ़ायदा हुआ है, बट मेरी brain power बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है. Then the next thing that happened to me was I started taking magnesium. Now magnesium 50 के 50 hormones बनाता है. In your body, magnesium is responsible for all 50 hormones. So I first started taking magnesium citrate, but then I stopped taking it, and it was causing me a lot of stomach issues, and I started taking magnesium bisglycinate. Magnesium bisglycinate is very good for women, so that was a really huge part of my inner wellness and my outer glow. It was one of the key things in everything I do for my body, from supplements to light therapy to cold plunge that I'm all talking about. I'm giving all my secrets away. No gatekeeping here. So with that, my fatigue, my low energy started going. My PMS symptoms started becoming better. So कई दफ़े होता है, आप उठते हैं, नींद से उठने के बाद भी आपको लगता है कि आप टायर्ड हैं, लो आयरन की वजह से, B12 की वजह से. So they started getting better. So अगर आपकी स्किन ड्राई है, आपके नेल्स भुरते हैं, टूटते हैं, तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि collagen and omega-3 can help you with that as well. So another change I made was omega-3. Omega-3 मैं कभी फ्रिज में नहीं रखती थी. Now I keep my omega-3 in the fridge. With omega-3, I make sure that I take 600 mg EPA DHA every day, which is 2 capsules. So it's around 2000 mg of omega-3 that I take in fish oil, halal fish oil capsules that I ingest every day. It supports my heart, it supports my brain, it gives me inflammation control, and it gives me menstrual comfort. My periods are not as painful. जो वो पहले PMS के symptoms होते थे बहुत बुरे, they are not there anymore. The second thing I take in the morning with my breakfast is D3 and K2. Now D3 should always be taken with K2, and if you take calcium, this is also the time to take calcium because K2 also helps absorb calcium. So I take D3, I take K2, which is going to support bone density, but it also improves hormonal balance. Vitamin D is very, very important if you are perimenopausal or menopausal. It emphasizes synergy and it creates a lot of good effects inside your body. Then next thing I used to do, and I still do, is I take a protein shake. तो मैं Costco में वो frozen fruit के छोटे packets मिलते हैं. I put half a pack of that frozen fruit. I put in 1 cup of clean distilled water, and with that I add 1 scoop of Varela protein powder, 1 scoop of collagen powder for skin and joints. And no, collagen does not create collagen in your body. And then I combine it with creatine. Now creatine, I load creatine. So some days I take 5 grams, sometimes I take 15 grams to 20 grams. I monitor my dose, but if you're not monitoring your dose, then at least take 5 grams a day because it is going to help you with muscle recovery, muscle improvement, and it has so many benefits for women. So creatine is something that can really help you. And if you've never taken creatine before, then some of you can benefit from a loading phase, which is going to kickstart your energy and muscle recovery faster, and then you can go back to 5 grams over time. Then I take iron because taking iron maintains ferritin, it boosts energy and it supports hair health. बाल गिर रहे हैं, उसका top reason usually iron की कमी होता है. So I take the ferrous gluconate because it works better. Remember, जो चीज़ Asians पे काम करती है is usually different from वो चीज़ें जो कि गोरों पे काम करती हैं. But most research is around gora material and not around this material. So by the way, if you want a list of all the supplements that I am taking, then you can inbox me or message on the live below that you want those supplements. So you can just comment the word supplement and I can send it to you, a list of everything that I take, and it's time. So all you have to do is when I save the live, you have to say the word supplement, or you can reply to this by saying supplement and I will send it to you if this is something that interests you. No pressure. Then I take magnesium glycinate and magnesium citrate. So that helps me with my mood swings. Oh my god, my mood swings have improved so much. It helps me with sleep support. And अगर आपको digestive support चाहिए, आपको कब्ज़ रहती है, आपको constipation रहती है, तो then take a little bit of magnesium citrate. It's a pro tip. It really works. आप एक दफ़ा लेके देखें. Then comes vitamin B12. मैं vitamin B12 लेती हूँ energy के लिए, metabolic support के लिए. Then I take Shilajit or ashwagandha, but I don't take it every day. I always alternate my adaptogens. And आप लोग क्या सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं? Once I save the live, आप प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइएगा कि आप कौन से सप्लीमेंट लेते हैं, किस ब्रांड के लेते हैं, and I can give you some of my feedback on it. Obviously it will not be, please do not take it as medical advice, but I can chime in and I can ask you a few more questions. So once I save the live, put that in as well, and I will get back to you on what are my thoughts on it, and I will, you and I can have a conversation about it. So please put all this below. I hope you have a day as fantastic, as beautiful as you. Stay empowered, stay healthy, stay gorgeous. Lots and lots of love to you. Kisses. I love you all. Bye.